We at Expertrons, the world's first and largest AI video bot technology platform, are rapidly expanding our operations owing to our growth in B2B and B2C over the past few months, and are now inviting ambitious entrepreneurs to become franchise partners with us. As we have got the B2C product line and as EdTech is a booming industry, we provide you with the Career Acceleration Bootcamp, which will help you head start to your dream career journey. Learn from experts across 15 top companies across technology, consulting, finance and management. Create meaningful connections who can assist you with placements. Gain an insider's view of a professional's life in your industry. A chance to get referred to your dream company. Certificate for attending 15-week intense accelerated career bootcamp. What our technology is. The next step in human-computer interaction, successor to chatbots. Automated video chat experience. Powered by artificial intelligence and machine learning. Simulates intuitive and interactive online conversation. Unprecedented level of personalization. Virtually indistinguishable from a video call. What are the benefits? 50% reduction in fixed and operation costs. Up to 25% increase in lead generation and retention. 42% of all customer relations will be handled by video bots by 2025. Up to 50% reductions in human intervention and error. Why become a franchise partner? A partner with Expertrons has virtually no competitor in the market. An opportunity for exponential growth. An opportunity to seize profits quickly, since the ticket cost is higher than initial investment. No geographical restrictions, video bots can be sold from and to anywhere. No sector-related restrictions, any business in any industry can benefit from video bots. Who can become a franchise partner? You can, if you're a working professional looking for a side hustle. A business owner looking for investments or opportunities in new sectors. An individual well-versed with marketing tools like chatbots. Let us join forces and find success together. We look forward to a partnership with you soon. Book a Zoom session with us and get all your questions and doubts answered. If you have any clarifications or queries about the partnership, feel free to get in touch.